friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix X Band 3. So Infinix has announced the smart band in India for 1600 rupees, and this is definitely a good value for money band because it has a couple of interesting features. The design looks good, it has a color display and some interesting features as well, and this is competing with the Xiaomi's Mi Band 3 which is announced a few months back. So Infinix Smart Band is priced 1599. That's the pricing, and it comes with a pretty good feature. So this is the box packing. It's a very simple box package, and at the back of the device you can see the features mentioned. We have the heart rate sensor, 20-day battery life, that's something which is pretty good, sports tracking, IP67 water and dust resistant features, alarm clock and sleep monitor is included, and it is supported on Android 4.4 and above and iOS 9.0 and above. It has Bluetooth 4.0 available. So that's the Infinix Smart Band features. So you can just see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see the manual included. So this is having all the features mentioned. You can see that how to pair it, and all the features are mentioned here, and how the charging also works. Everything including the app features are mentioned. So we'll come back to the app a while later. So this is the Infinix Smart Band X Band 3 rather, and you can see that the display looks pretty good in terms of the sizing, and it's a color display. We'll come back to the color display and other features in a while. So you can actually remove the band from the strap. You can see that this is how you can remove, but actually you don't need to remove even for charging. We'll come back to that. You can also see the strap looks pretty good. There is a pattern finishing on the strap, and it's pretty lightweight as well. And at the bottom section you have the heart rate sensor and the charging mechanism, and this is the strap which looks quite good. Now let's see the features. So this is the smart band, and you can see that this is the color display, and there is a portion below the display where the touch control works. Even though this has colorful display, this is not a touch screen. You have to use the bottom section of the screen to actually do the touch part. So this is the main screen. You can see, then if you just tap, you can see the number of steps taken. You can say measure the heart rate. Then you can also see other options. So you can see the measure the BP, because this allows you to measure the BP, but then smart bands are not really accurate in terms of measuring the BP. And there's also the oxygen level you can measure. That's also not much accurate, but then you can just get an idea about the performance. Then you have the shutter button to capture the camera when you are using paired with a smartphone. Then you get the music player. You can also control the music playback from here when you're connected with the smartphone. So these are the options available. Now this band looks pretty good. It's pretty lightweight as well. Now this also comes with a charger. The charger is kind of unique actually. So this is the charger. You can see that this has a clip kind of mechanism. So we'll just wrap this out. So that's the clip for charging, and what you need to do is just clip on this here. So make sure you are connected properly, and there you go. That's how the clip works, and you can see that now it's clipped, and you can connect this to any power bank or even a laptop or any power source, and this will charge the connector. So that's how you charge. It's a kind of unique mechanism, but the mechanism is pretty good because it actually tightens the charging mechanism, and it doesn't come out pretty easily, because few of the charging mechanism it's kind of a dock mechanism which comes out when you leave the device for charging, but this does not come out easily, and it's clipped properly. So that's how you charge the X Band 3. Now let's have a look at the app and how it works. So this is the app actually. So you can see that the main interface, this is Infinix Life app, so you can download it from the Play Store, and this is the features. You can see the steps, sleep and heart rate monitor. Everything is mentioned here. So if you want to measure the heart rate, you can do from the app as well. So just click here, and you can see that the measure button is at the bottom, and you can also see how the heart rate has been for a particular period of time, and there is also sleep data available, and also the steps taken when you're wearing this tracker. Now if you go to the options, so you can see that there is a watch face included. So a couple of watch faces are included. You can just see the watch faces. So when you change it, it actually shows up in the phone as well. So you can, the band as well. So you can see that now if I change here, so it changes instantly on your band as well. So that's the the watch faces available. So only 3 of them are available, so you can customize it. Then you can also track notification, alarms, shutter button, which we have mentioned already, and the other options also include. You can set the time and unit system, and a few reminders as well. So so that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix X Band 3. So overall, this is quite a good band. A couple of things interesting. One is it has a color display, and the battery life is also pretty good. It has almost 20 days of battery life. So we have tested this for a couple of days, and the battery performance is definitely good, and the steps tracking is kind of accurate, because we have a few other mechanisms also when we used in parallel with this band as well. So the tracking is quite good, and it is consistent as well. So that's something which makes this band pretty good as well. So overall, it's a very lightweight band, and it's definitely a competition to the Mi Band 3, where you don't get a color display, but here we get a color display, and almost similar set of functions available on the Infinix X Band 3. So this is again water resistant, IP67 rated, and you get 20 days battery life. That's what the company claims. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix X Band 3. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button, and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.